Hello, rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trades. It's Saturday, September 14th, 2019. I'd already been rail fanning that morning, and that trade was featured in our previous video. I was done rail fanning for the day and heading out of town to go camping. We stopped at the gas station to fill up, and as luck would have it, a train came while we were at the gas station. A northbound empty ethanol train, led by a pair of AC-44 CWs. Awesome. I don't usually film from the gas station here, and if I do, it's closer to the tracks, so this video offers a unique perspective. This train was a lucky catch for me before heading out of town. This was actually only 20 to 25 minutes after the last train I got, which was in our previous video. And that was all the trains I got on Saturday because, like I said, we went camping. The next time I went out was Sunday evening. While I was out, this cat came and paid us a visit. Now, we waited and waited and waited on Sunday evening. I don't know how many hours I was out there and didn't see anything. But finally, the signal was showing green. Someone was coming. And even though it was getting dark, I was going to stay and catch him after waiting for so long. It was a little dark and blurry by the time he got here, but there was no way after waiting so long I was not going to film him. And it lucked out that I did because he's got 6 locomotives. A little bit of everything for power on this guy. There's an ES40 DC leading, there's an SD42 in there, some Jeep 38s, even an AC44 CW. What an awesome catch. If you watch carefully here, you can see the locomotive knock down the signal to red. This manifest train was a welcome sight after being out so long and seeing nothing. little bit of everything on this guy. Once he passed, I went home. After that, it was a bit of an off week for rail fanning for me. Monday night, I had a meeting to go to, so I didn't get out till later, and by the time I got out, there was track workers working on the track, so no trains. Tuesday and Wednesday were the same. I went out at our normal time and waited 2 to 3 hours each night and saw nothing. So the next time I was actually able to catch anything was on Thursday. Thursday was the day of Carlisle's homecoming parade, which was going to go right down the street where we rail fan normally. We decided to head there early, and we went down there on foot. We were almost to our normal spot when we heard the horn of a train, so we had to freeze and brace and film it where we were. A little horn salute from the engineer, with a Dash 8 and an AC-44CW leading, both in their YN2 paint schemes. An awesome catch in some awesome sunlight. Judging from the steel, this was Q509. This is a mixed manifest train, which we see very often when we come rail fanning in the afternoons or evenings. I was a little disappointed we didn't quite make it to our normal spot before this guy came. The sun angle in this area was hard to argue with. This is a great shot. Once he went by, we continued on to our normal spot. We waited about an hour and we were ready to watch the Carlisle homecoming parade. But just as the parade was coming down the road, another train was coming. And he must have had heads up about the parade and how many people were going to be down here, because he was crawling. You can hear the marching band from the parade right now. They're about to start going past where I'm standing. All kinds of people were out that day, and this engineer's taking every precaution. A single ET-44AH leads this train. This was K-182, loaded iron ore heading south. And there goes the beginning of the parade there. Now he has to keep honking his horn because this entire road that runs parallel to the tracks is loaded with people for the parade. He's definitely proceeding cautiously. This train also has a second locomotive running distributed power. And the front of the parade is up and down the main road now, with more going by us. But I was interested in filming the train, not the parade. And now that the lead locomotive is past the Beekler Road crossing, and therefore past the parade, he's starting to accelerate. And there goes that second locomotive, another ET-44AH, helping to get this train accelerating now that they're all past the parade. He's definitely starting to move now. And that truck in the parade has a little alien bouncing around with the team. Once he passed, I shut off my camera and watched the rest of the parade. And that was all the trains we had that week. So thanks for watching this episode of French Fried Trains. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great week, everyone.